Managing IAM server certificates is like maintaining your passport. Without it, access is denied. AWS imposes limits on uploads and storage to ensure security and efficiency. Each account has restrictions, so you can't just pile them up like unread emails. And don't forget expiration. Renewing certificates is like updating your driver's license. You need to do it before it's too late. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Think of IAM server certificates as VIP passes at a concert. Only authorized users get in. They secure AWS connections with SSL/TLS encryption, ensuring privacy and security. IAM seamlessly integrates these certificates across services for authentication, making it easier to control who accesses what. Without them, it's like letting strangers into your private party chaos. Server certificates are like ID cards for websites, proving they're legit and ensuring encrypted communication. Without them, hackers could eavesdrop like nosy neighbors. They help validate servers, prevent unauthorized access, and create a secure AWS environment. Think of it as locking your front door. No intruders allowed. Choosing between a CM and IAM is like picking between self-driving cars and manual ones. A CM automates everything, while IAM gives you control but demands work. A CM seamlessly integrates with AWS services, while IAM requires manual intervention. If you love automation, a CM is the way to go. If you prefer doing things manually, IAM's got you covered. Alright folks, let's talk about uploading third-party certificates to IAM. First, make sure your certificate meets IAM's requirements, because IAM is picky. Then use the console or CLI to upload it. Once it's in, verify it to ensure it's working as expected. And if things go south, don't panic. Troubleshooting common errors will save the day. Trust me, a little patience goes a long way. Now, let's dive into IAM API operations for server certificates. First, list all available certificates, because knowing what you have is half the battle. Need details? Fetch them with a simple API call. If a certificate needs an update, replace it before it causes trouble. And finally, clean up expired certificates, because clutter is never a good look, even in IAM. Tagging server certificates is like labeling your storage boxes. Do it right, and life gets easier. Use tags to organize certificates efficiently. Apply meaningful tags so you don't end up searching for that one certificate. Manage tags via the IAM console or API. It's quick and painless. And don't forget compliance. IAM loves rules, and following tagging policies keeps everything in check. IAM policies for managing server certificates are all about control. First, define permissions carefully, because giving too much access is asking for trouble. Stick to the least privilege principle to keep things secure. Regularly monitor policy changes, because surprises in security are never fun. And finally, restrict access to sensitive certificates, because not everyone needs the keys to the kingdom. Best practices for IAM server certificates. Let's keep it simple. Rotate certificates periodically, because stale certificates are a security risk. Use strong encryption standards, because weak security is like leaving your front door open. Keep an eye on expiration dates. Nobody likes a surprise outage. And automate certificate management where possible, because manual work is so last decade. To wrap things up, follow IAM guidelines for certificate management, because rules exist for a reason. Implement security best practices, because prevention is better than cure. Regularly audit IAM configurations to catch issues before they become disasters. And finally, stay updated with IAM changes, because technology never stands still and neither should you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.